1. 1973 Chevy Impala in $1,500. This 1973 Chevy Impala offers a solid foundation for restoration at just $1,500. The car includes both the motor and automatic transmission, but it's not currently running. While the odometer is broken, the seller notes the floor and trunk pans are solid, with minimal rust. The car is 98% complete and comes with a bill of sale from the previous owner. It's an affordable project for someone ready to bring this classic sedan back to life. Or 2. 1970 Ford Maverick Project, 2800s, Anaheim. For just $2,800, this 1970 Ford Maverick offers a rust-free, straight body and a great starting point for a classic car build. Equipped with a 200 engine that has a rod knock and a C4 automatic transmission. It also includes additional parts like a rear seat that needs upholstery, a carpet kit, and side glass. It's missing the windshield and back glass, but is otherwise a solid and desirable project car. Three, 1965 Dodge Truck, $2,500. Powered by a Chrysler 225 Slant 6 engine, this 1965 Dodge truck is a vintage workhorse priced at $2,500. Originally a city-owned vehicle, it may require some work, such as fixing a passenger door handle, but inspections are welcome. This classic truck combines charm and utility, perfect for someone seeking a retro pickup. Four, 1970 International Travelall, $2,400, Hacienda Heights. This 1970 International Travelall is a barn find ready for restoration. It features a two-wheel drive setup, manual transmission, and a clean title. Located near Carson City, NV, the truck runs well and comes with delivery options. Priced at $2,400, it's a rare and rugged option for vintage SUV enthusiasts. Char 5, 1968 Ford Falcon Sedan, $5,000 KDTX. This 1968 Ford Falcon Sedan is a family heirloom that has been garage kept for decades. Featuring a 200 CI 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. On the column, it's all original with no major modifications. While the car was running fine, it recently developed a radiator leak. For $5,000, this well-preserved classic is an excellent candidate for restoration. Reasonable offers are welcomed. Six, 1979 Ford Ranchero, $2,500. Here's a near-finished project for $2,500, a 1979 Ford Ranchero. Recently fitted with a $5,000 engine and featuring new upholstery, carpet, and numerous other upgrades, it runs and drives perfectly. However, the body needs work, including some dings and paint restoration. This Ranchero combines practicality and style with its unique blend of truck and car design. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle 4-door, $5,500, Longview TX. A clean and original 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle 4-door sedan is up for grabs at $5,500. It features an inline 6-cylinder engine, a 3-speed manual transmission, and rust-free bodywork. The car has been in storage since 1987, but has received recent upgrades, including a fresh fuel system, new brakes, and tires. It runs and drives, needing just a little more TLC to be a dependable daily driver. 8. 1965 Dodge Dart 270, $5,300. This 1965 Dodge Dart 270 sedan combines vintage charm with modern enhancements like LED headlights and a rebuilt power steering box. Powered by a 225 CI Slant 6 engine with an automatic transmission, it boasts good tires, front disc brakes, and a fairly new exhaust system. The body needs paint and minor repairs, but at $5,300, it's a fantastic option for a reliable vintage driver or a full restoration project. 9. 1964 Plymouth Belvedere Sport Roof, $4,500. Campo. Priced at $4,500, 1964 Plymouth Belvedere Sport Roof offers vintage racing heritage with its Daytona 500 winning design. The car comes with an original 318 engine, a push-button automatic transmission, and numerous additional parts for customization, including a 1969 big block K-member. Rust-free and located in Campo, CA, this hardtop coupe is ready for its next chapter. Hash 10, 1975 Chevrolet Malibu, $5,500 Houston TX. This 1975 Chevrolet Malibu is a stylish coupe powered by a 350 V8 engine with a dual-barrel carburetor. It features a rebuilt transmission, new wheels and tires, and replaced components like the distributor and AC compressor. The car runs and drives but has some rust around the back window and a dent on the passenger door. At $5,500, it's a great mix of style and functionality. $11. 1967 Mercury Cougar, $20,000, Colorado Springs. For $20,000, this 1967 Mercury Cougar is a head-turning classic. With a 289 CI V8 engine and automatic transmission, it offers a blend of performance and elegance. The striking red exterior paired with a sleek black interior makes it a collector's dream. With 58,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this Cougar is ready for the open road or a prime spot in any vintage car collection.